Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Rockspace Wi-Fi extender effortlessly. Whether you need to boost your Wi-Fi for extended coverage or eliminate frustrating dead zones, this device is the ideal solution. Follow along for a simple, step-by-step guide to improve your internet experience. Start by unboxing your Rockspace Wi-Fi extender. Check that you have all the necessary items: the extender, a quick start guide, and a power adapter if included. Next, choose a power outlet close to your router for the initial setup. This proximity ensures a strong and stable connection during configuration. Connect your Rockspace Wi-Fi extender to a power outlet located near your router. Once plugged in, allow the device to initialize. Keep an eye on the power LED, which should illuminate within approximately 30 seconds, indicating that the extender is ready for the setup process. Take your smartphone or laptop and navigate to the Wi-Fi settings menu. Look for a network name similar to Rockspace_EXT in the available network list and connect to it. Don't worry if there's no internet access yet, this is part of the setup process. Launch a web browser on your connected device and enter the setup URL provided in the Quick Start Guide, typically http://192.168.0.254. Press Enter to access the Rockspace Wi-Fi Extender's configuration page, where you can begin the process of customizing and completing the setup. Follow the step-by-step instructions displayed on the screen. Choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list provided, enter the correct Wi-Fi password, and click Connect. The Rockspace Wi-Fi extender will then establish a connection with your router, extending your network's coverage. Unplug the Rockspace Wi-Fi extender and place it in a location halfway between your router and the area that needs better coverage. Once positioned, plug it back in and allow the LEDs to stabilize. Ensure the signal indicator light shows a strong connection, confirming an optimal setup for extended coverage. Finally, test your Wi-Fi connection in the area where you needed improved coverage. You should now experience a strong and stable internet connection. If the signal is still weak, try adjusting the extender's position slightly for optimal performance and better coverage in that area. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our team of experts is available to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. We're committed to ensuring a smooth experience for you. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your Rockspace Wi-Fi extender and are now ready to enjoy enhanced coverage. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more informative tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.